Good afternoon, class. Today we started. Today we started new topic in herbal drug technology is herbal cosmetic. Herbal cosmetic is very important topic because we know about the top subject name is herbal drug technology. herbal drug को टेक्नोलॉजिकली कैसे डेवलप किया गया है, कन्वर्ट किया गया है, उसके एक सबसे अच्छा स्पेसिफिक टॉपिक अगर अपन हर्बल कॉस्मेटिक कवर करते हैं तो बहुत सारी चीजें क्लियर हो जाएंगी. Shall we started? Introduction. Herbs are safe. Everyone know herbs are the source of some potent pharmaceutical medication, extremely useful and potentially fatal. Herbal products are safe because they are natural, can be harmful if consumed improperly or in excessive amount. According to DNC Act 1940, definition is any article intended to be rubbed, poured, sprinkled or sprayed on or introduced to or applied to any part of human body for cleansing, beautifying, promoting attractiveness or altering the appearance, and includes any article intended for use as component of cosmetic. Definition of herbal cosmetic is defined as the beauty product which possess desirable physiological activities such as skin healing, smoothing, appearance enhancing and conditioning property with the help of herbal ingredients. There are some examples of dosage form: emulsions like cold cream, vanishing cream, liquid cream, powders, face powder, talcum powder, tooth powder, cakes, such compact makeup cake, oils like hair oils, mucilages, hand lotions, jellies. Example is hand jelly, wave side jelly, brilliantine jelly. Suspension example is cosmetic stockings, paste like toothpaste, deodorant paste, soaps, shampoo soaps, shaving soaps, toilet soaps, solutions, after shave lotion, hair side solutions, and lotions. These are the some examples and types of dosage form. Part or organ of body to be applied for herbal cosmetic for skin, powder, cream, lotion, deodorant, bath and cleansing product, makeup preparation, suntan preparation. Herbal cosmetics for hair, shampoos, tonic, hair dressing, hair waving preparation, beard softeners, shaving media, glitters, hair remover, hair cosmetic for nail, nail polish, manicure preparation, hair cosmetics for teeth and mouth, tooth powder, dentifrice, mouthwashes. Herbal cosmetics for skin. Herbal approaches of proper skin care is principally based on three essential steps: cleanse, nourish, moisture. Whatever may be the type of skin, these three types are external care of skin to protect from the constant effect of environment, stress, and skin natural process of cell degradation, decay. Therefore, in order to help the skin look young and radiant, exfoliation to remove dead skin cell, epidermal stimulation for new cell growth, antioxidant property for cellular rejuvenation and repair, improve capillary blood flow, penetrating moisture and nutrient to replenish all layers of skin. Herbal cosmetics for various types of skin. For dry skin, examples of herbs: rubia, caridiofolia, manjista, trifla, tulsi, glycyrrhiza glabra, sesame oil, fruit face pack, banana or avocado pulp. For sensitive skin, example of herbs: Eucerio, curcuma longa, trifla, Ajatica indica, muscata, limba in coconut oil, fruit face pack, banana or pineapple pulp. For oily skin, example of herbal cosmetic is tulsi. Herbs used for oily skin: tulsi, dora, jatipata, limba, Tribolinia arjuna, trifla, curcuma longa, mustica in mustard oil, milk, sour milk, cream, and buttermilk are used as gentle natural cleanser, fruit face wash, strawberry or papaya pulp. Type of herbal cream. Example is cold cream. It is an emulsion in which the fat predominant, but the cooling effect produced when it is applied to the skin is due to skin evaporation of the water content. Formula is almond oil, white wax, borax, water, rose water. Vanishing cream are also called as foundation cream because they disappear when rubbed into skin. Mainly formula is stearic acid, borax, crystal, sodium, carbonate, water, and rose oil. Cleansing cream is satisfactory cleansing cream in water in oil emulsion that melt at temperature of body and spread readily over the skin. Chamomile cleansing cream, chamomile flower, distilled water, lemon juice, sodium benzoate. Types of herbal care, herbal hair care products. Good example is herbal hair oil. All are using hair oils. The hair oils used for dressing and nourishing the hairs and grace to appearance of hairs. This preparation generally used to increase the growth of hair and remaining healthy. Hair oil should have following properties. They should give luster to the hair, retain them soft and flowing, invigorate their growth, keep the brain cool, should not be sticky. Hair lotion has a stimulating effect on the hair follicles. They are generally perfumed with oil of rosemary and other essences. It is possesses a good stimulatory property. Other type is hair coloring. These are preparations used for coloring of hair. They enhance the attractiveness of gray hair. They are applied externally on the hair with the help of brush. Example, shampoo is a preparation of surfactant. It's suitable for from liquids, solid or powder which they used under the condition specified will remove surface grease, dirt and skin debris from the hair shaft and scalp without affecting adversely the hair, scalp or health of the user. Qualities of an ideal hair product: protect the hair cuticles, clean without stripping natural oils, replace lost protein, moisture and nutrient, condition without weighing down the hair, even without porosity and prevent moisture loss, smooth abraded cuticle scales, prevent intense drying from environment. This combination chart of herbal hair preparations: name, important herbal cosmetic, use and claim, herbal hair range, important herbal, mint, brahmi and other herbal extract, uses, promote hair growth, used in combination with henna and amla shampoos, herbal hair conditioner, amla, sandalwood, brahmi and other precious herbs, prevent hair loss and act as scalp deep cleanser, herbal hair oil, arnica, henna, shikakai and other herbal extract, specially created to the prevent hair loss and promote luxurious hair growth, hair amla shampoo, extract of amla dates, arnica and red herbal extract, uses for normal to dry hair, cleansing the scalp while retaining and stimulating hair growth. Another category of herbal cosmetic is herbal used in dentifrices. Dentifrices are the preparation intended for use with a toothbrush for the purpose of cleansing the accessible surface of teeth. They have been prepared in paste, powder, and to a lesser extent in liquid and block form. Formula example of dentifrices: soap, powder, saccharin, amaranthus oil, solution, oil of cinnamon, oil of peppermint, oil of clove, alcohol, distilled water. Characteristic good characteristics of as a characteristic of good enterprises is it reduces the intensity of tooth decay, help to maintaining the gingiva, reduce the intensity of mouth odor, good dental health, increases the possibility of good general health, leading secondary result of cleansing teeth. Herbal use in nail care is another category. Fungal infection of nails are very common and difficult to cure. Nails are considered one of the body's hardest and strongest tissue. Conventional treatment of hair fungus is expensive and long term. natural way to treat so that side effects are minimized. Following herbs used curing nail infection: Lavandula officinalis, Malicula latrifolia, Cybopogon citrate, Cyzenium atrominum, Thymine vulgaris, Allium sativum. These herbs are a deep penetration powder which aid to destruction of nail fungus since fungus infected the root of nail. There are some examples of herbal cosmetic herbs. Aloe vera is mostly used in all herbal cosmetic because it's very good moisturizing and softening the skin. It is a very good antioxidant activity. Belonging family is Liliaceae. Is a healing property, moisturizing, softening skin. Simply cut one of the aloe vera and extracting smoothing gel. It's contain vitamin A, C, E, B, choline, vitamin B12, folic acid, and provide antioxidant activity. Carrot. It is obtained from the plant Eucharist carota belonging to family Apiaceae. It is a valuable herb since it is due to richness of vitamin A along with other essential vitamins. Contain B-carotene in lesser amount of alpha and gamma. Neem is the another mostly used in cosmetic products because it is a good antifungal antibacterial activity. Turmeric is a very widely used herbs for herbal cosmetic. Henna, shikakai, rose oil, amla, coconut oil, cypress, soap nut, bitter orange peel, almond oil. These are the some examples of herbs mostly and widely used in herbal cosmetic. Advantages of herbal cosmetic: they do not provoke allergic reaction and do not have negative side effects. They are easily incorporated with skin and hair. With small quantity, they are very effective as compared to synthetic cosmetic. Extract of plant decreases the bulk property of cosmetic and give appropriate pharmacological effect. Easily available and found in large variety and quantity. Easy to manufacture and cheap to cost. Disadvantages हर क्योंकि आप सब जानते हैं जिनके एडवांटेजेस होते हैं उनके कुछ डिसएडवांटेजेस भी होते हैं. Herbal drugs are slow effect as compared to allopathic dosage form. Also, it requires long-term therapy. They are difficult to hide, taste, and order. Most of herbal drugs are not easily available. Manufacturing processes are time-consuming and complicated. No specific pharmacopoeia define any specific procedure ingredient to be used in any herbal cosmetic. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank
नेक्स्ट
you,
क्लास
sir.
में अपन